Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this video, it means that this is the first video I've ever made as a long form after many years. Nice to see you again. Before you just saw me in shorts, and I'm so happy that finally today I can talk to you in a YouTube video. The video today is going to be about blowout. I've done many blowouts in my life with different methods, and I've tried to make my hair curly in many ways, like heatless curls or with heat curls. But today I would try to stick with blowout and to be so serious about it, because normally I'm so lazy, guys. And blowout, I don't know, but for me it's always something so difficult. Hey there, I just washed my hair and brushed it through with wet brush, and now I'm going to use my favorite hair dryer ever. It's actually in the set of hair styler of Philips. They will have other brushes types, and later on we will use some of them to style our hair. But actually, you know, you can just use any type of hair styler. You might have Dyson, which is of course more expensive, or you can have any other type. When I did not have this tool, I used to try to blow out my hair with just normal blowout brush and normal hair dryer. Alright, now it's like 50% dry, so I'm going to use this straightener tool just to detangle my hair. Some argan oil. Well, just to be safe, maybe we should use heat protector anyway. I use heat protector from Tresemme. I believe it's kind of international. You can get it anywhere. It smells nice. Okay, now I'm gonna part my hair into two parts. This time I'm gonna use this tool. Okay, according to a lot of tutorials, we should not take a lot of hair, but just a little. But I'm very impatient. Normally I would just like to do it as fast as possible, and small hair is just not my option, but let's try. Today I'm so serious about this. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for some seconds. Okay, so I finished. How do you guys think? Because I cannot see it. Now I'm just gonna keep this layer together. Now to the second one, which is more intensive. Gonna brush it out. Now I'm gonna start with the tip of my head from here, and I will continue with other parts later. I'm gonna take the hair from the top of my head. I'm letting it cool down. Gonna keep it with the roll. The next one is the one below. We're almost there. Now we just need to have the two sides. I finished two sides. I'm gonna let this down, do my makeup, and I'll come back. Okay, I finished. This is how it looks in the front. Give me a thumb up. If you give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, it means that you like this type of video, and it will tell YouTube that you want to come back. So if you want to see me again, subscribe to my channel as well. And that's it about our video today. See you next time. Love you. Bye bye.